app builders out there, if you're looking to publish your application to App Store and you need privacy URL, you need support URL, you need a lot of links, and for that you need a landing page. And how to build a landing page? There are different methods. Because of AI, you can build a landing page in minutes, but if you need a starter repository which contains an optimized to an application tailored to your brand identity, then you can use this particular starter template which I have found in GitHub. So this is a website which you can see, Finwise. Again, this is a dummy application. They have this landing page, the hero section, testimonials, proper thing, and then again the support URL, contact us form, and then quick links, then a proper copyright and all. So you can use this one, and this links to a GitHub repository which I will link in the GitHub directly. So if I just go back and let me just go back, and yeah, this is the repository. I will link this repository in the GitHub, but I will not suggest to use this one because I will optimize this particular repository in future. But if you want to use this repository, which is very easy, you can just go ahead and create a deploy link, give a repository name. Maybe my application is track bad habits, so I will do track bad habits, and it will clone the repository in your private repo. If I do click this private, and if I keep this public, it will keep it public. Now if I press create, it will create a Vercel deployment for me. So this is an easy way to do it. And after that, once you have done that particular thing, it should be available in your repository. So if you go in my repositories, you can see I have earlier copied this one. So this is the bad habit tracker, and this is like private, and this is like deployed in my Vercel. So which is again a great thing in my opinion. So let me just see the deploy URL if it is changed or not. So it is not changed. Now I will link this GitHub repository. So this is the GitHub repository which I will link in my description, because I will share a prompt on how to change this repository, which will customize for your application so that you don't waste time prompting and experimenting. You can just do from day one. So this is the bad habits application for which I need links such as support URL. So I will create one support URL landing page, which is nothing but my contact us information. So if you go in this particular landing page, here the contact us information is given. So this is my support URL which I need to link, and again the copyright which should match with this one. This is again the copyright which will match with this one, and version is 1 again, so not important for now. And here you can see the app information. If I go here, I have something called privacy. Let me just find that one. I think that is actually here, app privacy, and I need to give a privacy policy. This landing page doesn't contain privacy policy, but I will create it. So that's why I am suggesting to use this particular application URL so that it gets optimized for your application. Now how to do that one I will cover in the next video, and I will share you the master prompt which you can use to optimize it. But this is the repository which I wanted to share, which you should use in your GitHub, like in your application landing page, and you can use this one. So this is again built with Next.js and Tailwind, so very easy to customize. And like to create more UIs, you need more UIs. You can use a different components library which we have, that is Magic UI Design, or maybe Asynchronity UI. So let me just go here, and these are the two options which you have, which will give you proper component library. So if you want to customize this landing page with pre-made components, you can go here in the UI library. You can search the component which you need. For example, maybe this component you need, so you can just copy it directly and you can give information to your AI, or you can do it manually as well. And this is again different components which you can use. So this is nothing, you can just use these pre-made components, edit the text, provide the privacy URL description, and you are good to go. And this is the landing page which will be optimized, which you can use it for SEO, for App Store optimization. Again, you will have proper links here, so it will be a complete application and a complete solution for your use case. And how to edit this one, so I have already talked about how to do that one, but now if I talk about how to edit this one, if you want to do it manually, you can go here in SRC and you will see something called app, and here you will find page.tsx. This is the landing page. It contains proper sections, so you can see testimonial section, then you have pricing section. You can remove the pricing section. You need hero. To edit the hero, you click this one. So if I click this one, and this is the hero components. So if I go here, okay, so this is the components section. So you will find hero here, and you can edit the text. So if you want to do it manually, you can do it manually, but I suggest use AI because AI is cheap. You can use Gemini 3, buy the Gemini CLI. If you're like watching right now, you can use anti-gravity to build this landing page, which is very easy to build in my opinion. And this starter repo is updated, and if it is not updated, you can run latest update version, so npm will automatically update it. So how to install it, how to run it, what is the master prompt which you need, I will share with you in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Until then, take care and bye.